Mean. The arithmetic mean of statistical data is defined as the quotient obtained when the sum of all the observations or entries is divided by the total number of observations or entries. We obtain the arithmetic average, called the arithmetic mean of given statistical data. If there are n objects, x1, x2, and so on till xn, then the mean will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on till xn divided by n. In short, the sum of x divided by n and mean is generally denoted by x bar. Let us try to understand it with the help of an example. Look at the given table. It shows the scores of two players in 5 matches. Player A scored 10, 15, 85, 60 and 65. And player B scored 12, 18, 20, 15 and 35. Now, we must find the average scores of these two players. Therefore, we are going to apply the formula for mean as shown there. Here, x1, x2, etc. are observations of the given set and n is the total number of observations. Therefore, let us find the mean or average score of player A, which is 10 plus 15 plus 85 plus 60 plus 65 divided by 5, which is equal to 235 divided by 5, which is equal to 47. Similarly, the mean or average score of player B is 12 plus 18 plus 20 plus 15 plus 35 divided by 5, which is equal to 100 by 5, which is equal to 20. Mode. The value which appears the maximum number of times in an observation is called the mode of that observation. Consider an example. Find the mode of the following numbers. Solution. In the given data, the observation having maximum frequency is 9. Therefore, 9 is the mode. Median. If we arrange the values, say x, of ungrouped data in ascending or descending order, the value of the observation which lies right in the middle of the arrangement is called its median. Median for ungrouped data is computed as follows. Firstly, we arrange the observations in order of their ascending or descending values. The value right in the middle is taken as the median. Thus, based on the number of odd or even observations, we determine the median in the following way. When the number of observations, or n, is an odd number, the median will be the value of n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. When the number of observation n is an even number, the median will be the average of values of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Let us try to understand the concept with the help of an example. Find the median of the data given below: 1, 12, 5, 3, 7, 13, 9, 23, 17, 11, and 6. Solution. Arranging the given numbers in ascending order, we get 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and so on. Here, the value in the middle term is 9. So, the median is equal to 9. Let us consider another example. Example. Find the median of the following data: 822, 895, 572, 218, 282, 181, 286, 980, 250, and 100. Solution. Arranging the given numbers in ascending order, we get 100, 181, 218, and 250, and so on. The given data have even number of observations. So, we take the average value of the 5th and 6th observations to find the median. Therefore, median is equal to 282 plus 286 divided by 2 is equal to 568 divided by 2 is equal to 284.